Hi, I'm Neil Gardner, Cronin Buick GMC. I'm going to show you the all-new Encore GX, brand new from Buick. So the Encore GX is smart, stylish, and versatile. Smart because there's all kinds of available technology features in this vehicle. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, standard. It will pair up with your Alexa. We've got available HD surround vision, so there's cameras on the front, underneath each side mirrors, camera on the back, and it'll give you a overhead shot of what's around you to make it easier for parking. We've got front and rear park assist that is also available to help you out when you're parking in those tight spots. Lane keep assist with lane departure warning, it's huge. It's like having an extra person driving with you in case you drift over to one of the painted lanes. It's going to nudge you right back in the center of the lane. Also, there's available heads-up display. It's got a 1.3 liter turbocharged engine. So your fuel mileage is going to be 26 and 29. Don't be afraid of the 3 cylinders because this vehicle is very peppy. The turbocharger is going to add the horsepower that you need when you're getting on the expressway or if you need to pass a vehicle. Available adaptive cruise control. This one's big. There's a gap select button that's on the steering wheel. Basically that's going to change the way that your gap is set from a close distance, medium distance to a far distance from the vehicle that's in front of you. The vehicle is measuring that gap between you and the vehicle in front of you. As you're traveling on the city street, on the highway, if you got your cruise control set, let's say 55, you come up to slower traffic, the car's going to slow itself down, keep you that safe distance that you've got selected away from that vehicle in front of you. As traffic opens up, the vehicle is going to resume speed back to what speed you have it set for. That works, like I said, in the city, it works on a highway. It makes that stop and go traffic a little more bearable. So inside the vehicle, now this is a preferred package, so it's got a combination of a cloth and leather upholstery. It is available in all leather, and it does have available heated seats. This does have an available power liftgate as well. On this particular trim level, it's a manual liftgate, but it lifts up high enough. This cargo shade is going to lift up with that to let you access your cargo area and have ample room. The vehicle is going to start just by a push of the button. You also can access the trunk as long as you have the key in your pocket or in your purse to the rear of the vehicle. That way the vehicle knows that you're trying to get into the trunk. It's going to recognize the key in your pocket and it's going to lift that up for you. The Encore GX is sure to appease everybody. Once again, I'm Neil Gardner, part of the Cronin Auto Family down here in Bowling Green, Ohio. I welcome you to stop in. Our family taking care of yours.